Picture this. You roll over in bed, grab your phone, and you see money rolling in from YouTube videos you made without ever showing your face. Sounds impossible? It's not. Thousands of regular people are earning passive income right now using AI tools and virtual assistants to do the heavy lifting while they sleep. I'm a real estate investor and realtor in Iowa. My days used to be slammed with showings, tenant calls, endless paperwork, and I still wanted more streams of income. But I had zero interest in spending hours on camera or buying expensive gear. Then I found the power of a faceless YouTube channel, paired with AI tools like ChatGPT and ElevenLabs, plus my virtual assistant who runs the entire system. Now, my extra income grows in the background while I focus on real estate and time with my kids. Stay tuned if you want this too, because here are the 5 steps that you will need to take in order to start your own faceless channel today. Step 1. Pick your faceless niche. The first mistake I typically see, trying to be everything for everyone. Keep it focused. Pick a niche you could make 100 videos about, one that doesn't need your face on camera. Easy examples: relaxing music that plays while people study or sleep, AI tutorials or beginner how-to videos, top 10 lists for things such as books, gadgets, and side hustles, motivational quotes or narrated stories, daily affirmations or guided meditations. Use ChatGPT to spit out 20 ideas in your interest area. Ask yourself, would my friends actually watch this? If your answer is yes, then you've got your niche. Step 2. Build your basic brand kit. Next, you will want to build yourself a tiny brand kit. You don't need a branding agency or anything too complicated. Just come up with a simple, catchy name. Design a basic logo in Canva. You can use AI templates to save yourself time. Pick 2 or 3 colors and a font style that you'll reuse. You'll then want to save all these assets in your Google Drive. Your VA will grab these when they make thumbnails, banners, and shorts. Small brand details make you look polished, even if you're just getting started. Step 3. Use AI to plan your content. You can use AI to plan your entire content strategy, and here's where prompt engineering makes the magic happen. Prompt engineering just means asking ChatGPT the right questions so you get exactly what you need. No wasted time, no vague ideas. It's like giving your AI a clear roadmap to follow so that it knows exactly what results to provide you with. Here's how to do it. Open ChatGPT and ask for 30 to 50 video ideas that fit your niche and your audience. For each idea, get quick script outlines so you're never starting from scratch. In fact, ChatGPT has provided every video idea on this channel, as well as the scripts to go with it. Ask ChatGPT to generate SEO keywords, catchy titles, and hashtags to help people actually find your videos. This is an important step to growing your channel, but don't worry, because ChatGPT can walk you through this process step by step. Once you have all that, share it with your VA. They'll refine the scripts using ChatGPT, record the voiceovers using ElevenLabs, create and edit the videos using InVideo AI, and they'll polish the videos off using CapCut. The best part? Your AI is always ready to brainstorm for you, no matter the time of day. The more specific your prompts, the better your channel's content will be, so don't hold back. Use your AI to stay ahead and keep the ideas flowing. Step 4. Delegate your production to your VA. So now you've got your content plan, scripts, and keywords ready to roll. It's time to bring it all to life. This is where your virtual assistant makes passive income possible, without you needing to do every tiny task yourself. First, they'll take your AI-generated scripts and polish each line so it sounds warm, natural, and clear, just like a real person talking. Next, they'll use a text-to-speech tool like ElevenLabs to record friendly conversational voiceovers. Make sure they test a few different voices and tones early on, so you find the one that fits your brand vibe best. Then they'll gather all the visuals, royalty-free B-roll clips, AI-generated graphics, or simple screen recordings, whatever brings each line of the script to life. The goal? Every visual should match what's being said so your viewers stay hooked until the very end. Once all the pieces are ready, your VA will use InVideo AI to stitch everything together fast: script, visuals, and voiceover. After that, they'll move the draft video into CapCut for final editing and polish. Add captions for key phrases. Tweak timing for better flow. Layer in background music that lifts the mood but doesn't distract. Make smooth cuts and transitions so the video feels professional and easy to watch. Finally, they'll export the finished video in the right format for each platform: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, and upload it with the right title, description, hashtags, and your custom thumbnail. Your job? Watch the full video, check that the voiceover is clear, the captions match, and the visuals fit your story. If you spot anything off, leave clear notes so your VA can fix it quickly. When you nail this workflow, it's like having your own tiny production team working in the background and for a fraction of the cost. And that's exactly how you keep your channel consistent, polished, and growing, while you focus on the big picture. Step 5. Publish and improve. Now that your video is finished, it's time to get it out into the world, and to keep improving every time you hit publish. Here's what this looks like in practice. First, remember, your first video won't be perfect. That's normal, just get it uploaded. Your goal is to build momentum, not chase perfection. After you hit publish, open YouTube Studio and check 2 key metrics. The first one is impressions click-through rate, or CTR. This shows how many people see your thumbnail and title and actually click on it. A strong CTR means your hook is working well. The second metric is average view duration, or AVD. This shows how long people stay watching. The longer they stay, the more YouTube will push your video to new viewers. If you see your CTR is low, that's your sign to A/B test a new thumbnail or tweak your title. You can do this with simple experiments. Change the text on your thumbnail, use a brighter color or a bolder image, rewrite your title with a fresh hook that sparks curiosity, use ChatGPT to get more suggestions on how to improve your CTR or AVD, and don't just stop at one video. Batch your content every week. Try to post shorts daily if you can. They're great for pulling in fresh eyeballs. Repurpose longer videos into bite-sized clips so you get the most mileage out of every script you create. Finally, make it easy for your viewers to watch more of your videos. Add end screens and pinned comments that link to a related video. Organize your videos into playlists so people can binge watch your content. Each time you publish any content on YouTube, you're giving the algorithm more chances to find your audience. And you're training yourself and your VA to get better with every upload. So don't overthink it. Hit publish, watch what works, improve, and keep going. This step is what turns a single video into a real passive income system that grows while you sleep. All because you and your VA show up consistently. So here's the big takeaway. You don't need to be a tech whiz, you don't need fancy equipment, a huge budget, or years of video experience. What you do need is a plan, and the courage to actually start. A few AI tools, a virtual assistant you trust, and the mindset to stay consistent. That's what turns this from an idea into real income you can see. Imagine how good it will feel to wake up, check your phone, and see that your channel is earning while you focus on your family, your main work, or your next big idea. It's possible, and it's closer than you think. Every upload trains the algorithm. Every video you share helps you get better. And each small improvement adds up to real growth over time. So keep going, keep experimenting, keep learning, and remember, you're not alone. We're here every day to give you real-life ideas, tools, and systems you can copy and make your own. If you found this roadmap helpful, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more real-life ways to build passive income. Subscribe so you don't miss any of our simple real-life tips for using AI tools and a VA to grow your channel and your income without burning out. Comment below, what's the first faceless niche you'd try? I read every idea, and they help inspire ideas for our next videos. Share this with a friend who wants to start a side hustle but thinks they need to be an influencer. And before you go, watch our video, 5 Faceless Channels That Print Money While You Sleep. It'll give you even more ideas to launch your channel fast. Let's automate, delegate, and earn passively together.